Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to add Mailchimp form to WordPress Easy Guide. First, install the Mailchimp plugin and connect your account with the API key, then create a sign-up form in Mailchimp and customize fields. Copy the form shortcode or embed code, paste it into your WordPress page or widget, and test with a real email. Save settings and review subscribers in your Mailchimp audience. Next, I will explain how to embed the form so it looks and converts well. Shortcodes are fast and work inside posts or widgets, while embed code gives full HTML control for custom styling. For advanced placement, use a block or widget area and test mobile responsiveness. If you choose a pop-up, set sensible display rules to avoid annoying visitors and always preview before publishing to ensure the form behaves as expected. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: I use these leak-proof containers for meal prep. They save time and reduce spills, which is great when testing email campaigns between meals. Check the description for the product link and other deals. It helps support these tutorials. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Now I will explain styling and compliance tips so your form feels native and respects visitors. Use simple CSS or the plugin settings to match fonts and colors and keep the layout clean. Include a short privacy notice and a consent checkbox if you collect personal data, and link your full policy in the footer. Always test the form across devices and check that submissions appear in the Mailchimp audience for reliable tracking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.